Hello everyone, welcome to Catherine's ESL Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to have a challenge quiz on regular verbs. So let's get started, but first don't forget your pen, paper, or pencil. Or if you don't have any of that and you're on the go listening, just pay attention and you will do great. Let's get started. So if you notice here, there are a list of words here, and you will just pick on one of these. Now, if you notice here, what tense is all of this? This is the simple tense, okay? But we are going to change these words from simple present tense to past simple regular verbs. Now, what happens with regular verbs? What do we add? We add an ED or a D or an IED, or we double a consonant and add ED. Consonant meaning from stop to stop with two P's, okay? Carry the Y, you drop the Y, and you add IED right over here. Or you add the D when there's an E. Remember, this is silent. Type, typed. Visit, add ED, visited. Do you remember now? Now, if you don't remember, just put this on pause and go through this, okay? So now let's get started. This is our challenge. Or you could take this as a quiz. Get ready, get set, go. Molly blank a letter to her cousin yesterday morning. Which one of these words and what do we add? Molly posted a letter to her cousin yesterday morning. Now, I will always give you a hint. Just look at the photo or the picture here, okay? And you just pick one of these words and you change it from the simple present tense to the past simple tense, okay? Let's do another one. Last Christmas, my granny blank a nice scarf for me. What is she doing here? And which word? Last Christmas, my granny knitted a nice scarf for me. Remember, you double the consonant and add an ED. Let's repeat, knitted. Thomas blank the birds in the country. Thomas watched turns into watched. What is the baby doing here? Uh-oh. Our neighbor's baby blank loudly last night. Our neighbor's cry turns into cried. Remember, the Y changes to IED. You drop the Y. It blank a lot in my town last summer. It snow turns into snowed. Let's repeat, snowed. Jen baked a cheesecake for her mom last Sunday. Jen baked turns into baked. Let's repeat, baked. Roger blanked Sue at her office yesterday. Roger. Phone turns into phoned. Let's repeat. Phoned. Very good. You got it. Congratulations. How are you doing so far? Liz blanked a delicious stew on the campfire last weekend. Liz. Cook turns into cooked. Let's repeat. Cooked. Uh-oh, someone's not happy. Loading, please wait. John blanked quite a long for his computer to boot. What's the synonym to boot? Start. Okay, John. Wait turns into waited. Let's repeat. Waited. Did you get it? That could be a little tough, but these are pretty simple to fix, okay? My uncle blanks stamps at the age of 10. What do you think he's doing? If he's been doing it since the age of 10, what do you think he's doing? Collect turns into collected. Let's repeat. Collected. Mrs. Swan blanked her son's shirts yesterday. What is she doing? Iron turns into ironed. Let's repeat. Ironed. Kevin blanked at Pam when she saw him at the corridor. Another word for corridor is hallway. Kevin, smile turns into smiled. See the big smile? Peter blanked his sleeping bag in his backpack. Peter, what is he doing? Pack turns into packed. Let's repeat. Packed. Not packed, packed. Well done, everyone. Congratulations. How did you do? Were you able to change it from ED, or change the Y to IED, or to double the consonant? Do you want to go back and review it again, or was this too simple and you want some harder ones? Let me know what you think in your comments. What other past simple verbs did you learn? What else would you like to learn next time? Well, I hope you had a great time with the challenge quiz. Until next time, bye.